although most solitary wasps, especially here in North America, are parasitoids that use their prey as a nest of sorts for their young, there are a wide variety of wasps here that do excavate and do make their own nests. The hunting wasps that we've gone into, most of them actually dig their nests into the ground. And so a very common one easily seen is the cicada killer wasp or the cicada hunter. And while these are maybe our largest wasps here in North America, they're extremely docile. They dig their holes into the ground, and the vast majority of hunting wasps specialize in only one prey or a couple very similar types of prey. And that's again because they've evolved alongside their prey for so long, hundreds of millions of years. They've evolved the ability to instinctually know where the weak spots are on their prey, the best way to deal with those prey without getting harmed themselves.